Assalamualaikum and good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying mathematics a lot. So what was our last lesson? What we have started in maths? Can anybody guess that? Can anybody remember? Can you tell me? Exactly, my dear kids. We have started numbers and we have done the first number of counting. And what was that? Yes, it was the number 1. Number 1. Okay, my dear kids, today I am going to tell you that what comes next. What is our next number? So can you tell me what is the next number? What comes after 1? Shabash, you can do it. Yes, it's the number 2. Number 2. That's how number 2 looks like. Can you see on your screens, my dear kids? It is how the number 2 looks like. So my dear students, number 2 is like this. And how we are going to make number 2? How we are going to write that? Let's practice the formation and don't forget to do the air writing with me when I am telling you the formation of any number. So here is the starting point, my dear kids. From here, you have to make a curve. Yes. So here you are going to make a curve. Then you will come down, touch this line and then make a sleeping line. There are 2 parts of number 2. Yes, it will start with a curve followed by a sleeping line. And can you see 2 balls over here? 1 and 2. There are 2 balls because we are doing the number 2. Now we are going to see what is given on our book. Let's quickly see that. Okay, wow, what a beautiful and interesting page is this. So it is saying counting number 2. There is a question over here, my dear kids. How many eyes do you have? Can you tell me? Yes, so how many eyes do you have? We all have 2 eyes. We all have 2 eyes. So my dear students, as you know, the first part with every number is we have to trace the number using our fingertip. So you will trace the number with your fingertip on your book. Make a curve, come down and then make a sleeping line. So let's see what else is given on this page. Yes, can you see them? There are 2 students. 2 students. 1, 2. 1 boy and 1 girl. So there are 2 students on this page. And can you tell me which building is this? Can you guess that? Yes, it is a school. Just like you come to school every day. So my dear kids, as I have told you earlier that with every number there is an activity. And in activity we are going to practice numbers in different ways. The first way is practice tracing the given number using a pencil. So here again you have to trace the number many times so that you should know the formation of 2. Okay, and what is the next part, my dear kids? It's a very interesting question. Match the number with the right quantity of the objects. So here are cupcakes. 1 and then 1 and 2. You have to match with the related number. So count the cupcakes. 1 blue cupcake and you are going to match it with the number 1. And then we have 2 pink cupcakes. Here you have to match these cupcakes with the number 2. Very right, my dear kids. So the last question is saying color the birds. Can you see some birds here? How many birds are there? Yes, there are 2 birds. And what you are supposed to do, my dear kids, you are going to color them very nicely. So my dear kids, this was our today's lesson. And what we learnt in it? Yes, we have learnt the number 2. And I hope that you understood the formation very well. Practice these numbers and then you will learn them very quickly. So I am going to meet you again with another number and another interesting lesson. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.